Mr. Stan 913 here. We now made it over to Charleston, and the storm is still here. Tropical Storm Debby, which used to be Hurricane Debby. But we made it over here. Just bumped into a bunch of locals and asked if some of the stores were going to be open today, and they did say yes. But look at some of these houses here. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Yeah, it's early in the morning, but we made it over here. We're gonna check things out today. So it might get a little windy today, but look at some of these houses. Wow. Fort Sumter's right out there. Let me zoom in, I can show you. Don't know if that's going to be open today. But like I said, we talked to some of the locals and they said that stores will open today, which we're happy. This is Rainbow Row, which are the houses we're coming up on that are decorated in different colors that we're going to check out. It mustn't be that bad because there are people coming on the island here. Well, not an island, sorry. Coming on to Charleston here to work today. Things are getting back to normal. Debbie is still here. She's turning around. They're calling for rain a little bit later on, but we're surviving. And this is East Bay Street. We're coming up on Rainbow Row right now. So we're walking through it now. All the different colors of the houses, like a rainbow. A lot of nice houses here. We're on the Rainbow Row side, and look inside here. Look at how pretty that is. Inside here. With the little light going there. And you can see they have sandbags up here, but I don't think it got as bad as they said. This house is being repainted. This is Rainbow Row, Charleston, South Carolina. So we're on King Street, and some of the stores are just starting to open. Probably not a lot are going to open today, but we're going to walk around and check it out. Some of the shops. The Apple Store's open. So we're going to slowly just walk around and see what opens up. Oh, okay. I'm just looking. Oh, look at this house back here. Somebody walking back there. the light. Oh, and it leads to a cemetery. Oh, look at this.
This would be a good area.
So we really didn't do a lot today. It rained a lot. It's not raining now. Really, a lot of the stores didn't open up. So we're just walking again. We went back to the hotel. Usually this street is popping with a lot of people. We're hoping in the next few days it will be. We're just gonna go get something to eat. And I actually got a cold from all this. So we're fighting through it. So what you do when you go on vacation? Well, we didn't know we were gonna hit Hurricane Debby. Now Tropical Storm Debby. But we'll be back here. Check out some of these stores. Look at that old sign there. Berlin's Men's and Ladies since 1883. And this is Market Hall, where people used to buy their produce, meats. We actually took a tour in here just now. It's actually a walking tour on your own, and it wasn't bad. And then if you look all the way down here, this is where they used to buy all their meats and their stuff. So this opens at 9:30. This is where the people sell their crafts and everything. So this is the market where there's all different crafts and things to buy. Goes that way, all the way that way. There's a lot of shops around here. We're gonna check it out. And they used to bring in food and everything, the market. This is where you bought your food, and I think there was some slavery here also. So again, there's a lot of crafters here. Look at that. Inside here, it's air conditioned, and there's other shops in here on each side. So we're going down one end, we'll go down the other end. These are all the different shops. When you come outside here, there's also shops over here. Indoor shops right here. You see them cleaning up after the hurricane. So this is the old slave market where they would bring in the slaves and auction them off. Museum's closed today because of the hurricane. They're going to reopen tomorrow, but it's just sad that you could see what could have happened to these people when they came here to America. And we came out here, and Carnival Cruise Line has come in today. I was talking to a local. She said this is the last year for Carnival coming in here. A lot of people, they didn't like it. So this is the last time they're coming in. Yeah. So it actually cleared up. And this video is actually 2 days. This is a new hotel, the Cooper Waterfront Hotel, opening next year. So Fort Sumter's out there. Probably be doing that tomorrow. This is really nice. So we're just rocking back and forth here on the dock. It's very windy. We're getting that back wind from the hurricane. So this is the other side of it. So the museum's all the way down there where we just were. And this is the marketplace. And the cruise ship is right there. So people come off the cruise ship. They come off the cruise ship and they walk through the marketplace. Pretty cool. So look at that church at the very end of the street there. We drove by that the other day. It curves around. Look at that, right down the street you have that church. God. Classic car alert right here. Wow, listen to that. If it's your first time watching, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. Like to receive future notifications, hit the bell. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. Mr. Stan 913, Charleston, South Carolina. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.